I, for one, cannot understand why the non-Muslims are fretting so much that UiTM doesn't accept non-bumis. Pasal apa nak masuk sangat dalam UiTM? The fact that they only want it to be exclusive for Bumi Putra means they are racist. Why do you want your children to be studying in a racist institution? Go to other institutions. Now, the point is, do you prefer your children to study in an institution or university with only one race and only that race alone? Or do you prefer your children to be studying in a university with cross races? Semua race ada. Kalau boleh, non-Malaysian pun ada sana. Macam-macam pelbagai mix. Now, which one you think your child will thrive at? When we go to institutions, we don't go there only to study, tau. The sciences. Bukan. We also go there to belajar bermasyarakat. How to assimilate, how to integrate, how to connect and celebrate each other's differences, understand one another, establish that networking, establish friendship, establish trust, establish, cohesiveness, teamwork. These are the things that we want our kids to learn as well. This is part of education. Education is not just sciences. But if our kids go there to learn to be self-supreme, to self-proclaim exclusivity, to be racist, to not like anything other than their own kind, that kind of education being sold into the minds of UiTM students. Now, the point is, when you are from UiTM students, and that's what we know that you're going to be conditioned in that manner, that you have no experience assimilating with other races. Therefore, how are you going to work in a company or with an employer that employs employees of other races juga? How? You will not be able to work as a team because you got no experience working with people from other races. So at the end of the day, the impairment would be apparent for UiTM students. So UiTM students untung ke rugi? Rugi. Because at the end of the day, if I'm an employer, I don't want UiTM students. I will have a problem. They will have problems assimilating with my other non-Malay employees. But I would like a Malay employee who studied in an institution with multiple races and nationals. The outlook of that Malay will be so much greater, more versatile, more progressive in thinking, and therefore is more likely to be a leader and to bind together a group of employees of multiple races and religious followings. That is leadership that I'm looking for to lead in my company. If I'm an employer, not someone like UiTM who is so exclusive and precluding others. So now at the end of the day, whose market value is impaired? Budak UiTM ke budak yang duduk institution yang bercampur aduk bangsa-bangsa lain? Think about that. So at the end of the day, why, as a non-Muslim, I don't want my children to go to UiTM. I don't want my children to go to any institution that makes it exclusive for only a particular race to be in there. What's the point? Why do I want that? So this is where I'm coming back to your point. Companies yang racist, that do not like people who embrace inclusiveness, they should go for UiTM students. There is a niche market for them. Go for those. You want those type, you go. You want a small world, you go for people with a small mind. Now, for companies who wants to venture overseas, who wants to form strategic alliances with other foreign international companies, they don't want to touch with the 10-foot pole a UiTM students. They will want a student that has been assimilated with other races and thrive and have friendship and bonding with people of many races. That's what I would go for if I have an international company that I want to grow. So again, choice of an employer kan. So this is where I cannot understand why people are fretting. Kalau dah tempat tu eksklusif, you don't even want your children to go there. As a Malay, I don't even want my children to go to UiTM. Faham tak? Even though my children will qualify, I don't want. Because what will be they learn there? They may learn the right science, but they will learn the wrong nurturing and education there. They will learn to become racist, self-proclaiming supremacy, and being exclusive. Intolerant to anything other than their own kind. I don't want my children to be nurtured in such an institution. So, as a Malay, I'm already one that do not favour UiTM. Tapi ada je orang Cina dengan India, kenapa tak boleh masuk anak kita di UiTM? Oh my God, to me it's so sad and stupid. Enough said.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.